Hi guys, this is Jordan from ALNSM Overland and welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be a quick video. I'm just gonna show you guys how I've made these nice recovery boards mounts. They're cheap and easy to make without a lot of tools and especially without welding. I decided to make this because I was really annoyed to strap the recovery boards down every time I go out. Now with these mounts it's way easier and most of all a lot more secure. Trust me on this, they're not going anywhere. So these mounts are specific to my roof rack and to my recovery boards setup, but I'm pretty sure that you can take the big idea of it and make it work for your setup. So please stay tuned. So, what you need for these mounts is a flat steel bar, 2 U-shaped bolts, 4 threaded rods, 4 hand adjusting nuts. You don't actually need this. Some self-locking nuts, a marker, some electrical tape, gloves, and don't forget your safety glasses. First, you have to take some measurements and mark where you need to cut. And then, well, you cut. After that, it's the same process, but in order to drill holes. You start with a small drill bit and then you switch to a bigger one. I'm gonna put everything together just to see how it looks. Yes, perfect! It looks like what I've planned. And now it's time to paint these mounts. And then I got an idea. I'm gonna fit a piece of pipe between the hand adjusting nuts and the recovery boards to get a tight fit. They also needed some paint. And this is how it looks. I also drill a small hole at the top of 2 threaded rods to fit a lock in it. And it's the same process on the other side. And this is how it looks without the recovery boards on. I'm probably gonna put another layer of paint on it. To put them on, you just have to slide them on the threaded rods. And that's it. You saw that it was actually pretty simple to make, and they're also very effective, so I'm really happy with them. Actually, if I want, I can also remove them and put some boxes instead of the boards, so it's another option. I really hope this video is gonna help you and give you some ideas for your rig. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. You can also check my Instagram account and my Facebook page. All the links are gonna be down below in the description as usual. Thank you guys for watching and see you next week.